Hello everyone, my name is Vas József and I am Mr. Musette. I am a freelancer illustrator from Romania, and in my free time I am working on my personal projects as well and create art related videos here on YouTube. If you are new to my channel, feel free to check out my other videos as well, and if you enjoy some of them, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. One of my personal projects I am working on is the Musettober Illustration Challenge, which is my own October art challenge. I've put together a prompt list in which my goal is to create 7 illustrations, each based on 3 prompts. I didn't set an exact deadline because I didn't want to put on myself too much pressure, and also I wanted to work each time on the project I feel more inspired. Also, I posted the prompt list on my social medias and invited other creatives to join in if they feel inspired and use any art medium they feel comfortable with. And are there a few artists who already joined in, and I am stunned of the results. Also, you can join in anytime, and even you can start with any illustration which inspires you first. So, it's not a rule that you need to make them in the exact order from the list. Or if you are inspired by 1 or 2 illustration prompts, you can even do only those. My only request was to post your creations with the hashtag Musettober and tag me to be simple for me to find your illustrations. Also, I share every single entry in my Instagram stories, and I will feature them in my last video of this series. I know that I don't have so much followings, but I think that it's not that important the numbers as is the creative process, and that we can form a small group of people who share the same experience. So if you feel inspired by my list, I invite you to join in. However, in this video I am creating the second illustration from the list, which was inspired by the prompts Black Cat, Soul and Wings. The video creating the first illustration is already up on my channel, so after this video go check that out as well. So most of these illustrations are based on some ideas that I wanted to do for some time, and this challenge was the perfect opportunity to create them. I am a happy owner of a black cat, which I adopted 6 years ago. Her name is Sophie, and she has her own personality as most of the cats have, and we really love each other a lot. Her name was chosen from a Hungarian animation which was created in 1984. The animation can be found on YouTube, so I will leave a link to it in the description of the video if you would like to check it out. I couldn't find any source with English subtitle, but you might get an idea by watching into it. So a lot of time I was thinking how my cat would look like if she would be a real human being. So this was the main inspiration for this illustration. So I drew the silhouette of a black cat, and inside of this silhouette a character with some floral tattoos all over on its body. Like this character would be the soul of the cat. And first I drew to the cat a pair of wings to give it that majestic and magical feel to it. At the end, when I colored in all the illustration and theoretically was done, I felt that something is missing from the illustration. So I decided to add 2 more wings. This should be somehow a fantasy themed character, so could have 4 wings, why not? And after I added that detail as well, I was much happier with the result. As art materials, I used exactly the same supplies as I did in my last Musettober video. The paper which I used is a Hahnemühle watercolor pad. Each sheet of paper has 425 GSM, so is quite thick and holds a lot of water. Also, the papers are glued together at the edges, and this avoids the paper buckling as well. And after I finished the illustration, I only needed to remove the page with an X-Acto knife. For the sketching part, I used a red Staedtler erasable pencil, which is very similar with the Prismacolor Col-Erase pencils. For the line art, I used the Staedtler fineliners because I wanted to have the possibility to add as much details as I want, and these fineliners are waterproof as well. For the coloring, I used red, purple and black inks from Koh-i-Noor. And finally, for the stars on the black cat silhouette, I used the white Posca pen. So far, I am happy with the illustrations I created for this series. And if you feel inspired, I invite you to join in with your creations. All my social medias will be linked in the description of the video, where you will find the prompt list. Also, if you are following another prompt list, let me know in the comments section which one it is. Hope you enjoyed the process creating this illustration, and thank you for watching. I will leave you with some cool music to enjoy the rest of the video. See you in the next one, and until then, do not forget, life is a song, illustrate it.